Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can calculate variance and standard deviation in Excel. So let's start. Uh, to calculate variance and standard deviation, we will take this data set. Here, 50 students math data is available. That is, they appeared in a particular math test and this is their respective numbers. And there are 50 students here. Okay, so in a certain class, there are 50 students. Here we can see variance population, variance sample, standard deviation population, standard deviation sample. So what is the difference between population and sample? Population means if we take the entire data, okay, that is 50 students data, and based on 50 students data, 50 data, we calculate the variance, then this is called population. And what is sample? Because this, we have only 50 students in this entire class. That's why out of 50, if we take, for example, up to this, or top 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, or from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, that is any number, but other than 50, that number must be less than 50, that is called sample. Okay, so here uh, I'm calculating variance first. So to calculate that, we have to type variance. Here you can see these both are functions or formulas for variance calculation: variance population, variance sample. First of all, we will calculate variance for the entire population. So we are selecting this by double click. Then we have to select the entire data set. Okay, we are selecting this entire data set, then closing bracket. Okay, we can see this is the variance of this population, that is all 50 students data. Now sample, we will take the sample of up to this data. Okay, so is equal to variance, this time sample. Okay, we're taking to this data and enter. So for that range of data, this is the variance. Okay, this is the sample variance. Now standard deviation is same. If we calculate the standard deviation for all the 50 students, that is called standard deviation for the entire population. If we calculate the standard deviation for few students data, then that will be called standard deviation for sample. So we'll calculate this st. So this is standard deviation per population and for sample. So first population, control shift down arrow. This is the standard deviation of population. Now sample, we are taking up to this. Okay, you can select any range, but the total number of data must be less than 50. Okay, so this is the variance for population, this is the variance for the sample, and this is population standard deviation, and this is standard sample standard deviation. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.